So this lady here is making Amish Church refrigerated pickles. And about 3 or 4 people have sent me this. So I'm gonna make it. So first of all, you're gonna slice cucumbers on a slicer. And then you're gonna do a red onion and a regular onion on a slicer too. I got these cucumbers from a friend of mine in town that gets his from a farm in Vidalia. Same thing with the onion, and I'm so excited to do this. The only ingredient, then you put a red pepper diced in it, Himalayan pink salt, sugar, and the only thing, she said celery seeds. They were sold out, so I got celery salt. I hope this works out. Starting off with slicing. Well, this isn't working out quite well, but you know what? I know how to slice very good from my hands, so we're going to do it like that. All right, so you want them in really thin slices. So let me cut up 3 cucumbers in thin slices, and I'll hit you back up. All right, next step is we're slicing up thinly a regular white onion. This is a Vidalia onion, and then a red onion. We're going to put it all together in one bowl so far. This red onion is really kicking my ass. Okay, after that she says add salt. Oh, so that's what it looks like so far. It's a lot. She did add a lot of salt. And then you're going to mix it together. Okay, now for the brine. So we put a pot on the stove, and we're going to add vinegar. Let me turn it up here. Turn down for what? All right, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we're gonna add vinegar and sugar. Now she didn't say how much, so I'm just gonna add a nice amount of both. Let's just use it all. We did make a lot of pickles. Now we're going to add the sugar, and we're going to let it boil. I'm not going to add too much sugar because I don't want them to be too sweet, because I don't like sweet pickles, but I don't mind having a little sweet tang. Now that the brine is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. What you want to do is you want to strain the salt mixed up with the other stuff, because salt pulls out the water in the cucumber. Then we're going to add the celery seeds, which they didn't have, so I'm going to have celery salt. I'm going to try not to use too much, because we already have Himalayan pink salt in there. She just says in her video it's salt, but if you look at it, it's Himalayan pink salt. Let's just add a little bit. Oops. I think that should do enough. Alright, now we're going to put them in a jar like this. My mom gave me 2 mason jars, but they were not big enough. So, take this, pour it in here. Hopefully it won't melt. I don't think so. Yeah, it's not that hot. I'll give it a good shake. Now we gotta wait 3 days. 3 long days. Oh, and I'll hit you back up. Good morning, y'all, and I could not wait until today, so I haven't done nothing but take my dog out yet. So we're going to try these pickles. So excited. Okay. This is what they look like today. Oh, I'm so ready to, I hope I like these. They smell amazing. Okay, ooh. Let's get a little plate. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna do it like this. Actually, oh, Man, does this take some patience for me. Let's do it like this. That's a lot of onion. Gosh, I hope I like these. I hope I like them enough that I can drink the juice. There was a lot of salt in this recipe. All right, let's try it. Oh, they're still crunchy. Let's get a little bit of that pepper on it. Some onion. Oh my God, these are so good. Oh, they're nice and sour. They're not too salty. You can't even really taste the sugar. So it's not like sweet pickles. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Oh. Oh my gosh. If you're a cucumber / pickle fan, this is what you've got to do. Oh, this is so good. This is good. This is definitely on my recipe list from now on. This ain't going nowhere. Mmm. Mmm. Love it.